Ratnesh. Today I will be telling you about cloud computing. Okay, Vansh, you may start. Okay, Ratnesh, cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology that uses the internet and remote server to store and maintain data and applications. Cloud computing provides computation, software, data access, and storage services to use irrespective of their physical location. It allows users to use application without installation and access their personal files from any computer with internet access. Next is the picture. Server, virtual desktop, software program, application storage. Down arrow gives rotator and switch. Switch and rotator. Types of cloud computing. There are three types of cloud computing: public, private, hybrid. Public cloud. This type is basically the internet. The various services and information accessible through the cloud are available to the public. The public server are offered free of cost. Private cloud. A cloud owned by and maintained by any organization is referred to as private cloud. The facilities, hardware, software, storage, services, and networking are dedicated to the needed of the organization. Hybrid cloud. A cloud that is composition of both private and public is known as hybrid cloud. The organization deploying the private cloud extends to merge with the public cloud to IC the technology and infrastructure for the increasing need of the consumer. Characteristic of cloud computing. First characteristic: on damage usage. A cloud consumer can automate the resource of the cloud without any human intervention. A cloud can be expanded by adding resources and the facilities required depending on the number of users and the usage. Next property is broad network access. Users of the cloud can connect to the and access the services from any geographical location through different devices such as computer, mobile, tablets, etc. Next is resource pooling. Due to independent of location, the providers of the resources through the cloud are able to serve numerous users from different locations. The resources dynamically serve the user requirement. Next is scalability and elasticity. Resources can be provided based on the demand and the number of users. The infrastructure, server, storage, networking facilities can be extended to suit the need of the consumer. Next is measured service. The cloud can automatically control and optimize the resource usage depending on the requirement of the organization and the individual users. The monitoring provides transparency for both providers and consumer of the cloud. Next thing we are going to study is advantage of cloud computing. advantages of cloud computing. First advantage is the infrastructure, hardware, software application is ready for any new business or individual to deploy the application on the cloud. Next is overhead cost such as cost of data storage, software updates and maintenance can be avoided. The organization only need to pay to the use cloud based as per the PAYG model. Next is the cloud service are always available at the ATE independent of the user's location. Next is backup and fast recovery are provided by default by the cloud computing service. Next is the cloud offer unlimited storage capacity compared to a personal computer. Next thing we are going to study is the last point of advantage of cloud computing. As the services and applications are available, an upcoming consumer can deploy, integrate and customize the application with minimum effort. Next thing we are going to study disadvantages of cloud computing. Disadvantages of cloud computing. First disadvantage. Although cloud computing services provide the best security, data is always vulnerable to unauthenticated access due to the number of users storing their data on the external storage. Next point, as the cloud is managed ID by service provider, the organization deploying their application data etc. can only have controls on those and not the infrastructure provided. Next point, integrating exciting application from one platform to another or migrating from one cloud to another, which is known as vendor lock-in, can cause interoperability and support issue. Ratnesh, have you understood this much? Yes, Swanch, I have understood. Ratnesh, this was the full chapter of networking. Now, it's over. You can revise it once more. Okay, Vansh, I will. Students, if you have understood the concept, please like and share the video and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any query, please type in the comment section. It will be answered as soon as we see the question. Thank you. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.